Hi students, I am Anju, your math teacher. I welcome you all to the session. Today's session is about the factors and multiples. Both are actually different things, but they both involve in multiplication. First, we will discuss about the topic factors of a number. Okay, factors have many definitions. I will just read all the definition and explain you what is a factor. Okay, first, factor is the exact divisor of a number. Okay, divisor means what? If we divide the factor with that number, you will get a quotient and our remainder will be 0. That is a fact. Okay, factor is the exact divisor of a number. Then next definition is factors are what we can multiply to get the number. Okay, factors are what we can multiply to get the number, which means if we multiply the factors we will get the number. So the thing which we used for multiplication is our factors. Okay, next is our third definition. Factors are the numbers we can multiply together to get the another number. The same thing it is given, but it is given in the different thing. Factors are the numbers we can multiply together, which means if you multiply two numbers, you will get another one number, right? So the thing which we are multiplying is the factors. Next concept is the number 1 is the factor of every number. So every number will have a factor 1. Okay. Next, every number is the factor of itself. So every number is a factor of itself. So these are the definitions. I hope you understood the definition. But after explaining the example, you will get a clear idea about the factors. See, in this example, 2 into 4, 8. Okay. So what I have written? This 2 and 4 are factors. So now you understood the definition. Factor is a number which we multiply together. We are multiplying two numbers here. I am multiplying 2 and 4. So I am getting answer as 8. So the numbers we are multiplying, the numbers which we are multiplying is the factor of the number. Okay, here I am multiplying 2 and 4. 2 into 4, 8. Upper 2, 4 factors for the number 8. Okay, 8 how we will write in another different way? 1 into 8. So 1 is also a factor, 8 is also a factor because I am multiplying 1 into 8 to get the number 8. Okay, so I told you 1 is a factor of every number. So we got 1 as a factor. Then every number is a factor of itself. So 8 is also a factor of 8, right? So what are the factors of 8 now? We can say it comes in first table, it comes in second table, it comes in fourth table, it comes in eighth table. That's all. Is it whether it comes in third table? No. So 3 is not a factor of 8. Whether it comes in fifth table? No. So 5 is not a factor of 8. Likewise, every tables you should see. Then factors are always finite. Finite meaning is it has some starting point and it has some ending point. Okay, see, our starting point of factors here is 1 and it goes to 2, then it goes to 4 because it is not, 3 is not a factor. That's why we are going to 4, then 5 is not a factor, 6 is not a factor, 7 is not a factor, then it goes to 8. That's all. Till 8 only it will go because our number itself is 8. So till 8 it stops. So the number 8 have factors as finite because it have starting point as 1 and ending point as 8. So both if it has starting point and ending point means we say that as a factors. Okay, factors means what? When we are multiplying two numbers, we will get one number. So the number which we used for multiplication. So what is a factor of 5? 1 into 5, 5. So 1 is also a factor, 5 is also a factor. Correct? Next, what is a factor of 10? In how many ways you can write 10? 1 into 10, 10. Right? So 1 is factor, 10 is factor. Then 5 2s are 10. 2 is a factor, 5 is a factor. After that, any other factors are there? No. So 1, 2, 5, 10 are the factors of number 10. So factors are always finite because it has starting point and ending point. Okay. Next, the number 1 has only one factor because number 1, how you will write? 1 into 1. So both are 1. So number 1 have only one factor which is 1. Okay. Understood what is meant by factors? Here I am going to write the factors for few numbers. See, what is the factor of 1? Only 1 because 1 ones are 1, 1. What is the factor of 2? Factors of 2? It comes in first table, it comes in second table. That's all. 1 2s are 2. Okay. Next, 3. It comes in first table. Whether it comes in second table? No. Next, whether it comes in third table? Yes. So, I am third table. That's all. Till 3 only it will come because 3 is a number. Till 3 only it will come. So, it is finite. Next, fourth table. First table it will come. Second table it will come. Whether it comes in third table? No. Next is fourth table. Yes. That's all. We will stop till this. Next, 5. First table, second table, third table whether it comes? No. Fourth table? No. Fifth table. That's all. It will stop. Next, 6, 1, 2 table, third table, 3 2s are 6, so third table, fourth table? No. Fifth table? No. Sixth table. Next, 7, 1, 7 because in 2 table also it will come, it won't come. Third table also it won't come. Fourth table also it won't come. Fifth table also it won't come. Sixth table also it won't come. Next is seventh table. Next, 8. First table, second table, third table whether it comes? No. Then fourth table, 5 whether it comes? No. Sixth table? No. Seventh table? No. Then 8. Next, 9. 1, 2, no. 3, yes. 4, no. 5, no. 6, no. 7, no. 8, no. 9, yes. 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. Likewise, you can find all the factors of every number and our factors will always be finite because it has starting point as well as ending point. Okay, every number will have 1 as a factor. Then every number is a factor of itself. Here 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. So every number is a factor of itself and it is finite. Okay, in each and every table whether it comes or not, like that you can check and you can write the factors. Okay. Next topic is multiples. Here multiples also have different definitions. I'll read the definitions. See, multiple of a number is any of the products of a given number, which means product value is the multiples. Okay, multiples are what we get after multiplying the number by an integer. Okay, multiples are what we get after multiplying. After multiplying we will get one answer, no? That answer is the multiple. Okay, when we are doing that multiplication we will multiply two numbers. That two numbers are the factors. Okay, answer which we are getting is the multiple. Now you understood? A multiple is the result, answer. Okay, I told you, no? It is a result of multiplying a number by an integer. See here, they have given one example. 3 fours are 12. So here answer, I told you, what is an answer here? 12. So 12 is the multiple. But 3, 4 are the factors. So 7 twos are 14. 14 is answer here is 14. So multiple is 14. But 7, 2 are the factors. Understood what is the difference between factors and multiples? See here, we are going to find the multiples of number 4. Just you write, if they ask you to write the multiples of number 4, write the fourth table, that's all. Fourth table, what are all the answers you are getting, that are the multiples of 4. So now I am writing the fourth table. 1 fours are 4, 2 fours are 8, 3 fours are 12, 4 fours are 16. Likewise, 5 fours are, like that it goes on, right? Till the number ends, it will also goes on. Okay, so multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, etc. It goes on. Okay, so multiples are always infinite. Infinite means it has starting point, but it has no end. Because whether tables have end? No. If they ask you to write till 10, you will write till 10. If they ask you to write 20, you will write till 20. But tables don't have end. If they have given condition only, you will write it. Okay, so multiples are always infinite, because see, starting point is 4 and it goes to 8, 12, 16 and it goes on. Okay, so it has no end point. So multiples are infinite. Then every number is a multiple of itself. See, 4 is a multiple of 4, right? Because 1 fours are 4 you are getting. So 4 is the multiple of 4. Here listen, for 4, 1 and 4 are factors. For 8, 2 and 4 are factors. 12, 4 and 3 are factors. Understood what is factors and multiples? See, here I am going to write what are the multiples, how to find the multiples. Just I told you, before finding the multiple, just write the tables alone. If they ask you to find the multiple of 2, so you write the 2 table, that's all. Multiple of 2, if they ask you, write the 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, and it etc. it goes on, because multiples are infinite. Since our numbers are infinite, whether numbers have starting point, whether number have ending point? No. So numbers are infinite, therefore multiples also infinite. So multiples of 2 are, so what you will write multiples? This answers. Answers are our multiples. This multiplication thing is our factors. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Because multiples are infinite. Okay. So can we write the multiples of 3 without writing this? 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. And etc. you can write it. Next, multiples of 4 are, fourth table you say the answers. 4, 8, 12, 16, etc. you will write it. Okay, next, multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, etc. you will write it. Next, multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, etc. Then multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, etc. Then multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, etc. Likewise, you can write all the multiples of every number. Multiples means our answer only you will write it. Okay? Understood? In this session, we have discussed what is the definition of factors and multiples, and how to find the factors and how to find the multiple through few examples. I hope you all understood it. Thank you for your cooperation, children. Thank you.